Yeah. Can you please tell me what are the types of accounts you have studied?
Yes, sir. Today I have studied about four types of account. One is current account. Current account is an account which is issued for business peoples, firms, industries, and people who are into business. And current for starting a current account, you have to have any kind of business with you. Current account will not provide interest on deposit which you have in your account, and that's all about current account. And savings account. Savings account is an account which is used for savings and investment purpose. And savings account can be opened by individuals or jointly. For starting its savings account, one has to be over 18, or else you can start. Students with under 18 can also start a savings account. Savings account pay a interest of around 3 to 6%. Uh, and another account is a recurring deposit account. A recurring deposit account is if an individual want to save some amount of money over a period of time regularly for with a higher interest, they can go for a recurring deposit amount. In recurring deposit, we have to deposit every month with a certain period as fixed before. Money cannot be withdrawn here, but we can close the account if we need. And finally, I have studied about fixed deposit. In fixed deposit, money can be deposited once, and the money can be claimed at final. And without in between, we cannot uh, claim our money. If we want, means we can close our account with fixed deposit. Fixed deposit will pay a sum of 4 to 6% interest rate. So that's
Now, Sanjay, now can you tell some more points? I think he has omitted some points or he has not told some points correctly. Can you try to improve upon
Yes,
that
sir.
answer? Yeah.
Yes, sir. So types of banks comes about like there are total four types of banks. That is current account, savings account, RD, that is recurring deposit, and fixed account. So current account is usually used by businessmen. There won't be any restriction for withdrawal, and we won't be getting any interest for the money which has been kept in the account, and no service charges will be charged by the uh, bank account. Then
Wrong,
coming
wrong,
to savings account.
wrong. Bank will be
So
charging service charges every quarter depending on the number of transactions that have been done in the current account. They will not give interest. That point he told correctly. And the extra point is they will be charging every quarter based on the number of transactions that have taken place in the current account. And the minimum balance prescribed for current account is higher than the minimum balance prescribed for savings account. But he did one mistake. Who Kaviram? He
yes,
did
sir.
one mistake. Kaviram did one mistake in respect of savings account. Can you tell me what it is? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Sanjay.
yes, sir.
Sanjay. Sanjay.
Uh, yes, sir. So coming to savings account, so usually students and salary people will be having it. The interest will be about 4 to 6% per annum, and
Totally wrong.
in the
Where did you study this? He also told the same mistake.
Sir, only 3%, right, sir?
3.05 for up to rupees 5 lakhs and above 5 lakhs, Federal Bank pays 3.10%. I think I told this 2-3 days back in the class when I was discussing every aspect of question, basic. At that time, I covered this also. So that is the mistake did by him. He committed mistake in telling that 4 to 6%. That is wrong. Okay. Then
yes, all this what
while talking about fixed deposit and recurring deposit, he did not mention about the minimum period and maximum period.
yeah, minimum period is for 6 months and till 10 years, sir, for
Which
recurring
one?
deposit.
Correct.
For recurring deposits, minimum will be
For
6 months.
fixed deposit,
So, sir, like fixed deposits, there's no minimum. Is there any minimum period?
Minimum is 7 days.
Only one time investment, one time withdrawal, sir.
Minimum is 7 days, maximum 10 years. Minimum 7 days, maximum 10 years. The interest rate will differ from bank to bank, and you don't have to worry about other banks. You need to know about Federal Bank or the bank where you are having account. Okay.
So how much is for Federal Bank, sir?
Federal Bank,
Approximately.
you have to see the rate. You have to go through the website. For example, federalbank.co.in. We have to come here and yeah, here they are telling about interest rates. Deposit interest rates. We will search like this. See, nowadays there is one type of deposit. One is withdrawable. That is, you can foreclose it. They have introduced one more account. Interest rate for resident term deposits, non-withdrawable, of rupees 2 crore and above. Non-withdrawable deposits are above 2 crores only, 2 crores and above, and the interest rates goes like this. I think it is not coming. The interest rate is not coming. Here, interest rate, personal. Somewhere else it will be there. Interest rates will be given. Rates and charges. Interest rates for savings account. Interest rates for savings account. And then savings deposits, I told you 3.05, and then less. Now it has revised. No, it is not revised. Less than rupees 5 lakhs, 3.45% below RBI repo rate. Present repo rate is 6.50. So the rate is 3.05. So they are not telling directly as 3.05. They are telling it is 3.45% below RBI repo rate, and the present rate is this much. Okay. Now, above 5 lakhs means 3.40% below RBI repo rate. So that is 3.10. But I thought it is unlimited. Now they are telling up to, say, how many lakhs? For balance of rupees 5 lakh and above. And here above 50 lakh, there is one more rate. That is 2.25% below repo rate. That means that will be very high. 4.25% for above 50 lakhs. They say in savings bank accounts up to 5 lakh, whatever the amount is there, it is only 3.10. Then 5 to 50, it is 3.10. Then above 50, if you have one has in the SB account, for the balance above 50, they will give 4.25%. But don't confuse too much. You get to know the first two only, and remember it as 3.05 and 3.10. That is sufficient. Understand? Yeah. Now, regarding interest rates, resident term deposits. This is what we wanted to know. Resident interest rates for resident term deposits. Single deposit less than 200 lakhs, that is less than 2 crores. Let us get to know that. If it is 7 days to 25 days, 3%, 30 days to 45 days, 3.25%, 46 days to 60 days, 4%, like that it goes. You have to go through this. I am giving this link in the group Fed PO Clerks group. I am giving that link. You can go through that and remember about it. Okay, good. Then what else the mistakes regarding the now I was telling you they have a new type of deposit known as non-withdrawable non-withdrawable fixed deposit, but that is always above 2 crores it seems. Don't worry about it. You are a fresher. It is not necessary you have to know about that very much. Okay, good. Now, other than that, I think he covered all the points correctly. No problem. Yeah. Now, anybody else can tell about deposit accounts? Any other extra points? Any other extra points than what was covered by our Ram, and also was it a Sanjay or somebody else, whomsoever it is? So please tell some more points if you are getting something else in your mind. If at all they ask you, you can say, tell that savings bank account can be opened single and also in joint names. When it is going to be in the name of minors below 18 years and above 10 years, the individual has to operate the account by himself. But if the guardian is operating, then there is no problem. So these are some of the points regarding deposit account. And one more point you can highlight is savings bank and current account. These two are called demand deposits, whereas fixed deposit and recurring deposit, they are called as time deposits. Under the fixed deposit, there is one more option, namely the interest is credited to the same account and that will also earn interest. This is known as compounding interest or cumulative interest. In which case, what is happening? Supposing you keep 1 lakh rupees for 2 years, after 3 months, you get some interest. Then that money will be credited to savings account and it will get only 3.05% interest. Whereas if you have a cumulative deposit in some banks, they call it as reinvestment. I think now in my bank, say our Indian bank, they call it money multiplier, MMC, like that. Say, like that, they call it by different names. The interest is credited to the same account every 3 months, and that will also earn at the same rate of interest. I hope you understand what I mean. So this is known as compounding interest. Okay, good. Now, any other points you have studied? Kaviram, you can also mention about demat account.
Okay, sir.
What is a demat account?
Demat account is a dematerialized account where stocks are held in the electronic forms.
Correct. And bought and
without
sold.
paper.
Bought and sold in electronic form.
Yes, sir.
Very
Bought
good.
and sold.
You told correctly. And next point is, we can also add, if at all they want more points, you can also say deposits. There are one more variety known as a resident term deposit. Another one is non-resident deposits. Resident deposit and non-resident deposit. Non-residents can open savings account, RD account, fixed deposit account and all. Normally, they will not open current account unless they have a business. Okay. And the interest rate is more or less same as that of resident. Non-resident means one, say a person of Indian origin who is staying abroad for gainful employment. Such a person is known as what? Non-resident. I hope you understand that. Very good. And in Federal Bank, you have to know about it because Federal Bank is one of the leading banks in having more of NRE. It is said in one write-up that out of the total 100 rupees coming into India, 15 rupees is coming through Federal Bank, one bank only. So that much famous is Federal Bank and their non-resident accounts. Could you follow what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Good. Excellent. Now, who else has come over there now? Viswa, Vaishnavi, Sanjay, Soumya, Kasi, Kaviram, then Akshay. Now tell me, what have you studied extra? What have you studied? Others speak. Viswa, what did you study today? Viswa, your internet is totally zero. Please get out and come again.
Oh.
Yeah, please log out and come again. Totally irrelevant. I am not able to hear you at all. No recording. Viswa, please log out. Yeah. Now, anybody, Vaishnavi, what did you study today or yesterday and all? Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, what did you study today or yesterday? Come on, tell me. Miss Vaishnavi. Are you able to hear me, Kaviram?
Yes, sir. I can able to.
Why Vaishnavi is not answering? Is it probably her internet is not all right? Shall I mute her? Shall I ask her log out?
Yes, sir.
Please
She is putting message. I am unable to in chat.
What is she telling in chat?
Sir, she is saying that she can't able to unmute us, sir.
Why? She can
I don't.
unmute.
Yes, sir. She is saying that I am unable to unmute. She has not mentioned the reasons.
Please log out and re-log in. Vaishnavi. Okay. Yeah, anybody else? What have you studied since yesterday, day before yesterday? Vishwa, now your internet is okay. Please tell me. Please
Sir,
go
can you
and
hear me, sir?
now it is slightly better. So please go and sit outside or near your window so that you get good signal. Please speak, Sanjay. Sorry. Which one?
Sir, I have learned about balance sheet, sir, liability assets like that, sir, and some governors of RBI and Federal Bank governors like that, sir.
Tell me, what did you study about governors?
Currently, the Shaktikanta Das was the governor of RBI, and I studied about that repo rate will cause what type of differences in the life. It causes if repo rate is increases, the inflation will be increases. So the RBI reduces the.
What is this? If repo rate is increased, inflation will increase. No, inflation will come down. You should tell the
Sorry,
other.
sorry.
You
Okay,
should
sir.
tell the other way about. If there is
Yeah.
higher inflation, more than 6%, RBI will increase the repo rate, in which case the inflation will come down.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Tell me.
Once again, I need to tell us, sir.
Yeah, now try.
When inflation increases above the 6%, the RBI will increase the repo rate to reduce the inflation. This causes the difference in the day-to-day banking.
Okay. Apart from that, what did you study?
Studied some of the products of Federal Bank, sir, like
Tell me,
gold.
what are the
Gold
products?
in Loans, I saw personal loan more. I noted it, but I'll forget in this.
What do you remember?
Uh, Types of products like FEDI, sorry, asset management things, and some other more. I can't remember it accurately, sir. I need to go through it once again.
Sakti Soumya.
Took a note.
Sakti Soumya,
Sir,
please.
founder of Federal Bank, sir, and awards won by Federal Bank, and our career growth in Federal Bank, and self introduction, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, the awards won by Federal Bank are one of the top 50 companies in Asia, best companies to work for in Asia by Great Work Institute, sir. And KP Holmes is the Federal Bank founder, sir. He was born in 18th October in 1915 and 26 January 1976, sir. And
What 76?
sir, it's his lifetime period, sir.
No, you
Born
don't
in
have to. You don't have to tell the birth date, death date of KP Harmis. No need at all. They
Okay, sir.
do not like your speaking history. They
Okay, sir.
want concrete facts.
Okay, sir. We will join as associate officer when you are in 21 years. After 2 years, we'll be promoted as assistant manager. After 3 years, we'll be a manager. Then next, after 3 years, at 29, we'll be a senior manager. Our salary package now will be 6.10 lakh, and after that, it will be 10 to 14 lakhs. Then
Your
say
package is not
so
6
we'll give
point. You are joining as a clerk or officer.
associate members.
No, associate means yeah. You will be joining as associate means you will not be getting promoted within 2 years and all. No, no, no. Associates,
The
what
PPT they showed us during the pre-placement talk, it was mentioned like that,
Sir,
sir.
associate clerical role, sir. It is
associate clerical role means no automatic
non-officer.
non-officer, no automatic promotion.
Yes,
You
we
will
need to
be
write exam.
you will be
Mm.
eligible for writing for an examination and interview, which you may
Mm.
be eligible after 3 years or so. Or if you pass JAIAB and CAIAB exams, you can write after 2 years, in which case, if you clear the test and score good marks in the interview, you will be promoted. Not that everybody will be promoted, because I do not know why they prefer recruiting people from outside for probationary officer. As I told you, in the last 10 days, 5 people have been recruited through our channel only from various colleges. Chandigarh College itself, 5 people have been recruited. Sorry, one more has come from SRM. Understand? So don't tell about this career and all that. That is not of interest for the interviewers. You will have to tell about the Federal Bank, like where is its headquarters, who is the MD and CEO, how many customers are there, how many ATMs are there, how many note, say, what is that? Cash deposit machines are there. These things, definite points you should be able to speak. And if you want to tell about the awards, you can tell about the 3 awards. The greatest place for women to work, then great place for millennials to work among 50 or 60. So like that, definite points you have to speak. Okay, good.
Okay.
Then Akshay, what did you study?
Sir, I was busy with my project work during this today and yesterday, so I couldn't cover much portions of this. So I thought
But
of starting from tomorrow. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, audible. But don't believe my classes only, because you have to study yourself and improve your knowledge,
Yes, sir, sure.
basic banking, etc. Okay, now let me go to the questions, whatever questions that have been asked.
So,
Yeah, now, yes, tell me.
sir, I rejoined the meeting. You also asked me what I did.
Yeah, please tell.
Actually, sir, I divided all this in some sections. Like first was all about self, then basic banking questions like basic terms, and then general knowledge, current affairs, and federal bank related question. And last
Super.
one was resume. So I completed yesterday and today about all about myself, basic banking questions, and general knowledge questions.
Tell me, what have you studied?
So
Basic
general
general,
questions like
basic general knowledge. What have you studied?
finance minister, like who is defense minister, name three cabinet
No,
ministers of
no. Please
India.
tell the correct names instead of simply
Okay,
telling.
like finance minister is Nirmala Sitharaman, and then defense minister is Sri Rajnath Singh. Then governor of RBI is Shanti Kanta Das, the current governor of RBI.
What Shanti Das? Shakti Kanta Das.
Sha okay, sir, Shakti Kanta Das.
What? Yeah. Then
Then another is education minister Dharmendra Pradhan, and they once asked the question was name five CM of India in five CM minister, chief minister of India, any of any state. So one is Yogi Adityanath for you from UP, another is Revannath Reddy from Telangana, Mamta Banerjee from West Bengal, Arvind Kejriwal from Delhi, and Bhupendra Bhai Patel from Gujarat. And former president of India
no.
naming five.
What is the mistake you did in telling the 5 state chief ministers' name?
I said correctly, sir.
You told wrongly the name of Delhi. Delhi is a union territory.
Okay,
You have to tell some other state.
okay, sir.
Tell me.
And then five former president of
No,
one is
five.
from
Tell.
one is Yogi Adityanath from UP, another is Revnath Reddy from Telangana, Eknath Shinde of Maharashtra, Mamta Banerjee from West Bengal, and Bhupendra Bhai Patel from Gujarat. These are five chief
Oh,
ministers, sir.
very good. Good point.
And,
Good. I appreciate you. Next.
and the five former presidents of India. First president of India was Rajendra Singh, I said.
Rajendra Prasad. Babu Rajendra
Rajendra
Prasad.
Prasad, sir. Yes, sir. And then recent one is Draupadi Murmu, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patel, and Ramnath Kovind. Also
Mm.
Pranab Mukherjee 2 years ago, like two last second president of India. Like
Good. Good. You're from which state?
I'm from Maharashtra, sir.
Maharashtra. Good. You're prepared well. Tell me some more names also.
President of India.
No. Some other point.
Uh, they also asked, sir, cabinet minister names.
Boliye.
Like Minister of Road and Transportation Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Prakash Javadekar, and Piyush Goyal is Minister of Commerce and Industries, and two Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. As I'm from Maharashtra, I studied a bit more of Maharashtra. So Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar are the Chief Minister, like Finance Minister, State Finance Ministers.
Then
And also, Rao Saab Danwe is the Minister of State and Consumer Affairs of Maharashtra.
Good.
And Ramdas Athawale is Minister of Social Justice and State. Minister of State and Social Justice. Like that, sir. I remember this much only.
Very good.
That is
You're
from
appearing for clerks or officers.
Clerk, sir. Clerk.
What is your degree you are doing?
I'm pursuing current last year student, sir.
BE?
In Artificial Intelligence Data Science.
You told me.
Yes, sir, I told you.
Yeah, artificial intelligence. Good. Excellent.
Yes. So I
Very
covered
good.
two
You
and the
prepared,
norms.
not bad, not bad. You are far better than other candidates.
Thank
You
you,
have
sir.
studied something more. I am appreciating you. Now,
Thank
what is your name?
Vaishnavi, sir. Vaishnavi.
Please read this.
Uh, total business of the bank, rupees 4.39 lakh crore.
This is
Total,
as on 31st December 2023.
no, sir, it was not showing on the
Yeah,
screen.
yeah, I am telling you. Come on, continue.
Total business of bank rupees 4.39 lakh crore. Total deposit rupees 2.39 lakh crore. Total net advances rupees 2.00 lakh crore, 2 lakh crore, and net
Oh,
profit
1 minute. 1 minute. I think I did some mistake here. Yeah, 2 lakh crore. Then
and net profit is rupees 1007 crore, and ROA for question 3 stood at Q3 or question 3, sir.
quarter 3.
Quarter 3. Okay. ROA for quarter 3 stood at
What
1.
is quarter 1 period?
I don't know about that, sir.
Quarter 1 is April to June. 1st April to 30th June.
Okay, okay.
Quarter 2 is 1st July to 30th September.
Okay. I will do it.
Quarter 3 is 1st October to 31st December.
1st October to 31st December.
December.
It is quarter
Quart-
3.
Yes. Quarter
Yes.
4 is 1st January to 31st March. Right now, we are going through the 4th quarter
Good quarter, sir.
of 23-24. 2023 to 2024, 4th quarter is what is now running. Understand? Yeah,
Yes.
please read.
ROA for quarter 3 stood at 1.39% and ROE stood at 14.80%. GNPA and NNPA at 2.29% and 0.64% respectively. Federal Bank share price as ON 8th of March 2024 is rupees
Hmm.
156.35, and
1
market
minute.
capitalization is
Today is what date?
11th.
Today is 10th, na?
10th March, sir.
So today is Sunday, no market. So
No market.
that rate is correct. 8th March rate is correct. Continue.
Yes. Market capitalization is rupees 383 billion. 383 billion. A tangible net worth is rupees 28,080 crore, and share capital is rupees 484 crore. And the capital risk weighted asset ratio, that's CRAR, is 15.02%.
Very good. Billion means how many crore?
Billion means like
Billion. Okay, tell me what is million? Million. Million का
million.
मतलब बोलो जी.
1 second, sir.
What is your degree? BE.
Yes, sir.
ये सब तो basic question है.
Yes, sir. I guess a billion is 10 lakh, sir. And
Correct.
a billion is 100, I guess 100 million, sir.
100 what?
100 crores, sir. Sorry, I said million, sir.
Correct. 100 crore makes 1 billion.
Billion.
Similarly, trillion means how much?
Trillion is
I don't know what it is, but it is 10 to the power of 12. 10 to the power of
I
12.
guess, sir, it's a It is 100 billion or 1000 billion. दोनों में से एक है sir. Sir, I got blank.
No, actually 1 billion means 100 crore. Okay.
Yes,
ஒன்று
sir.
10 100 1000 10,000 லட்சம் 10 லட்சம் கோடி 10 கோடி 100 கோடி उसको और 3 zeros डालने से it must be how much 100 crore 1000 crore then 10,000 crore lakh crore lakh there is lakh I am also confused 10 to
Yes,
the
I'm also
10,
confused.
10 to the power of 9 is 1 trillion 1 billion
1,000 times of million, sir. Trillion.
अच्छा 1,000 times of million or
Billion,
billion
sir. Billion.
billion billion ko 1,000 times is 1
Trillion.
trillion correct because 10 to the power of 9 is billion billion 10 to the power of 12 is what trillion trillion उसको लिए तो क्या करना है 3 साइफर ऐड करना पड़ता है इसीलिए 1,000 billions make 1 trillion okay so only once in one interview they asked this question okay very good you told nicely what is your name Vaishnavi
Yes, sir.
good you did a good job now
Thank
others can you tell me what have you studied Akshay what
Sir,
have you
and I had project work, sir.
okay Sanjay others have talked already okay no problem now we will go for some questions and try to learn from that I will go down yeah so question number 4 please answer all of you please try to answer if I am posted at my native branch native place how I am going to contribute to the branch ये क्वेश्चन ठीक से लिखा नहीं है क्वेश्चंस का मतलब ये है आप लोग का I mean I have to talk in English sorry if you are posted in your native place the branch in your native place how will you contribute to the branch could you follow Kabiram
Yes, sir.
Kabiram what is your native place
Sir, I'm from Tirunelveli, sir.
supposing we post you in Tirunelveli branch Federal Bank is there
Yes, sir. Yes, it is there.
Acha. Supposing we post you in Federal Bank as a clerk
Yes, sir.
Tirunelveli how
Okay, sir.
will you contribute for the bank
I will try to contribute to the bank by asking my friends and relatives to open account with my branch. I will ask them to do a ask them to participate in my bank's financial service like taking insurance policy, and I will also ask them to take services like lockers so that it will be beneficial for them as well as it will be beneficial for me too, sir.
good
Okay, sir.
you told nicely Vishwas can you answer this question what is your native place
Coimbatore, sir.
oh so tell me supposing you are posted in Coimbatore how many branches of Federal Bank are there in Coimbatore
Almost 19 branches, sir.
19
Yes, sir.
super Baba tell me supposing you are posted in the big branch of your place Coimbatore
Yes, sir.
how far is the big branch from your house
It's about 4 kilometers, sir.
very good fine you can go by scooter itself every day
Yeah.
come Tell me, how will you contribute for the bank?
I will contribute for the bank by contacting my native friends and peoples around me, and promoting our banking products through my family and friends, and giving a better and great service to them. They will be happy, and bank will also be happy for providing service and getting a lot more orders. And I will promote immediately if any different or new product is launched to the bank, and I will reach to the customers very easily because I'm from this place, and people also know me. That's the easy way to contribute for placing me in a native place by the bank side, sir.
Okay, good. Not bad. Now, next is our Vaishnavi. Please tell me, supposing I post you, what is your native place, Vaishnavi?
Sir, my native place is Jalna, and there is only one branch of Federal Bank.
Jalna.
Jalna, sir, in Maharashtra.
अच्छा अच्छा, जालना में एक ब्रांच है, उसमें आपको डाल दिया हमने.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me, how will you contribute to the branch?
Sir, first of all, in the people who are in more contact with me or in contact with me, I will tell about the plus point of the Federal Bank, also about the new products and the digitalization of the Federal Bank, that you can also uh, use it more digitally, and
Hmm.
likewise, like that's a plus point of the Federal Bank. I will tell them that opening a account to the products of the, I will make more marketing of the product of the Federal Bank so that they can uh, easily use them.
Okay, Sakti Soumya.
Sir, I will
Sak-
ask my
yeah.
if I'm posted in my native place, it's just 3 kilometers from my home. So so I have so many friends and relatives. I ask them and I will advise them about the bank offerings and its a new scheme so that they can open their accounts, and I will make sure that they get the good schemes, and I will explain about the schemes that are available and the loans that are available. And I will make I think people will have faith in the known person than the unknown person explaining to them about banking services. So I will have so many. I'll make sure that I will have so many new accounts opening after I join that bank.
Okay, good. Anybody else? Otherwise, what you all told is correct. You can tell, since I am from that place, I will have lot of friends known to me. So I will contact them, and I will also contact my relatives and ask them to open the account. Not only that, I will request my relatives to help me by canvassing on my behalf, so through their friends, so that I will get some more new customers also. Some udans you have to do. That is, you have to tell something more than what you are really going to do. Samajh gaya? So that is the thing you have to do.
Sir,
Good. Yeah.
sir, sorry, Coimbatore are having 23 branches, sir.
Acha, acha. Very good. No problem. No problem. I don't know. I have not seen that.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, next question is number 5. How good are you in initiating conversation with strangers? Now, who will answer me? This, all of you have to answer this. Please answer Akshay. How good are you in initiating conversation with strangers?
Sir, I have good communication skills. So if a stranger comes, I believe I can
So
actively.
one minute. Some call is coming.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Good evening. Yes, please. कहाँ? Which bank? Acha, what? Which company? Okay, good. You want one interview or two mock interviews? Yeah. Then you do one thing. If it is only 2 mock interviews, are you working now? Where are you working? SBI. Acha, you are now working in SBI as chief manager. अच्छा आपने उधर चला गया assistant manager food corporation. Good. No problem. So you please pay 503. No, वो सब तो चला गया जी. अभी तो बहुत पुराना हो गया. And you are also working boy, so you can afford to pay also. So you pay 503 rupees for 2. Otherwise, you want only one, you take it for 300 rupees. Correct? Otherwise, if same number में GPay में payment करना है. No problem. No problem. I am free. I am now in Chennai only. Not in Canada. No, I am now in Chennai. So tomorrow, I am just now in an interview. Sorry, class. So if you want, I will talk to you after 9:30. I will talk to you. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, sorry. I was asking which question, that question number 5. What was the question?
Sir, how good are you in initiating a conversation?
Super question. How good are you in initiating conversation with strangers? Please tell me.
So, sir, I am an ambivert and I am quite friendly in nature. So, usually I start a conversation with a stranger by some compliments. And also, I am a good listener. So, that will facilitate the conversation between me and the stranger.
Good. Sanjay?
Yes, sir. So, sir, talking to strangers first, I'll be introducing about me, and I'll be seeking to know is there any relevant topics between us. For example, if the opponent is from same my place, like if he's from Velo and I'm from Velo, I'll be talking some relevant. I'll be asking some relevant questions related to my data. So I'll be asking from where is he, where is they, so what is working. So I'll be knowing about Velo, and he will be telling about it. So there will be a common conversation between us. So through that, I'll be talking well, and I'll be getting to know about them. So this is how I talk with the strangers, and I'll be gathering information from them.
Kavira?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes. I am good at starting a convo. Since I'm an extrovert in college days, I know how to initiate a contact with people. I know how to start a conversation. I will try to develop a point like the common interest. I will try to know the common interest between both of us, and I will try to talk about that. So it will be helpful for me to start a conversation.
Good. Next
Okay.
is after Kaviram, Vaishnavi Jaykumar. Vaishnavi.
Sir, first of all, I will introduce myself and I will ask his or her name and a native place, and I will look what is relevant between both of us, and then also look for his interest to talk about his interest, and I will try to talk on his interest or what anything else he is looking for, or also I will look and I will try to understand his personality also, and also his willingness to talk.
Good. Not bad. Good. Next, who would like to talk? Viswa.
Sir, I'm good at initiating a conversation with strangers by giving a firm handshake and a good smile on a face and good looking eye contact will get a better conversation. I'm very empathetic to the person and to everyone, and I will share my point of interest and I will ask some open minded questions, so they can even also share with me. I could know about them, and how can I promote in the way of bank. I can think by asking open-ended questions and answering by them, sir.
Okay, not bad, because you started explaining still more better than others. That's good. Here you have to stress 2 points. One, I am very eager to talk to strangers. And
Okay.
after talking for a few minutes, once I understand that he will be of help for us, for the bank, I will continue the discussion further. And I will talk to them with a smile. And I will try to clarify the schemes and try to find out which scheme is suitable for them and recommend that scheme. And then follow it up keenly. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good, not bad. All of you could answer. Anybody has not answered this question? You have answered that, not bad. Good. I'm happy. Good. Now, next question is, where is that? Chala gaya? It was there and it has gone back. Why? It was there on the screen. Abhi chalta nahi hai, milta nahi hai. Now, let me go for some more pages. Yeah. Now, last question. What will be your role? Each one of you has to tell what will be your job role. To start with, first person who wants to talk, please raise your hand. Job role.
Can I talk?
Question
Yeah,
is not
please.
possible.
Job role. What is your job role? Come on.
Can I initiate it, sir?
Yeah.
As of my role, associate non-officer clerical role, it is mostly dealing with customers directly and canvassing them to making a business for the bank, and otherwise providing services like asset management and loans and other things to the customer is one of the role from my side. And I would work, and I should be versatile to work on different roles in the bank as a clerical associate, sir.
Okay. Next. Somebody else. Come on, speak. Come on.
Can I talk?
Yeah, please speak.
It is a mainly front end customer facing role. So to the good communication with customers, knowing their problems and solving their problems, understanding them and giving them proper solutions. And apart from that, providing financial solutions to the customers, handling retail operations of branch and other uh,
Mm.
like that, sales and product setting.
Kabiram. Kabiram,
Yes, sir.
speak
My
quickly.
yes, sir. My roles and responsibility includes the first and foremost role is I will be front end customer facing role. My role is to meet the expected standards of the customer service by the branch of my bank, and I have to involve in activities like customer acquisition and para banking activities like achieving the business targets too. I would also have the responsibility of assisting in digital transformation of products like the most I will be in a role of promoting the digital transformation of the products, and these are some of the roles of a clerk, sir.
Okay. After Kabiram, and then this Sanjay.
Yes, sir. So as my role is a clerical role, I have to tell the customers, I have to convince them about the bank, and I'll be telling about the policy size of the bank, and I'll be explaining what are the benefits that our bank gives, and I'll be promoting about the bank's specimens. So in order to make them open our account and invest in my banks and by getting loans, such things. So I'll be convincing them about opening the account in our banks or something like that.
Good. Anybody else has not talked on this point?
Sir, can I talk?
Yeah, please speak.
So, sir, as a clerk, since customer is the primary objective, so I will assist the customers with the transactions, deposits, withdrawals, and so on. So, other than that, there are some administrative roles like maintaining records, paperwork, and like documents, etc. So, these are the main roles I think I will do.
Good. Now I will show you your job role. Yeah. Clerk job role, Federal Bank.
Sir, it's not visible, sir.
No, it is coming. I will show you. Now it is coming.
No,
No,
sir.
No.
It's showing that interview question page.
Oh.
Now it's visible, sir.
Yeah. Now, Viswas, please read.
Roles and responsibilities. Front-end customer-facing role to meet the expected standards of external and internal customer service rendered by the branch by ensuring the process and standardization, timely service, inclusion of customer-centric culture, and strong operational control in accordance with the quality standards of the bank. Customer acquisition. Sir, whether I need to
Yeah,
read below or side?
Yeah, 1 minute. Continue.
Customer acquisition, augmentation of a para-banking income, and assisting the team in achieving all the business targets of the bank.
Very good. Next, we will go to Kaviram.
Yes, sir. Ensuring customer delight by personally attending the customer who visit the branch and assisting them with banking operations and functions. Providing financial solutions to the customer to find an appropriate banking product as per their need, requirement, to meet and exceed their expectation by offering assistance through cross-selling of banking and third-party products.
Very good. Next, Akshay.
handling retail. Yes, sir.
Read.
Handling retail operations of the branch, example, sales and processing of liability and asset products, cash operation management like receipts and payments of cash, front office management, issue of demand draft, ATM cards, checkbooks, etc.
1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Continue.
Working towards achieving business targets of the branch as well as the assigned individual targets by continuously enhancing and upgrading the relationship with customers, meeting prospective customers, and adding to the existing client base.
Next, let it be our Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, please read. Assisting in.
Yes, sir. Assisting in digital transformation by promoting various digital products offered by the bank among the customers. Liaison with the senior officers, peers at the branch and ensure that the day-to-day operations of branch are well executed diligently.
Yeah, peers
Adhering
means
and
equals.
yes,
Peers
sir.
means equal.
Peer to
Next,
peer.
that girl who is there, Soumya, Sakti Soumya. Yeah, where is that? Kahan gaya? Yeah. Now, Sakti Soumya, adhering.
Yes, sir. Adhering and complying with various audit and quality norms or standards of the bank. Develop a learning culture for self and others by consistently updating with various policies of the bank and trends emerging in the global financial market. Any other work allotted from time to time as per the administrative requirements of the bank.
This point you don't have to tell. Other points you can make it brief and then tell. Very good. Thank you so much. I suggest you read new things from Guidely or from website of Federal Bank or newspapers, and you come ready for answering questions when I ask you, what have you studied? You always come ready with matter for 10 minutes talking. Then if you come and talk here, you'll be able to talk for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Best wishes. The group has done a good job today. All of you participated well and tried your best to give the answers. This is how we have to read. Luckily, you are all having your interviews not in the near future. It is getting postponed. Make use of the time. Go through the website of Federal Bank. Go through the materials given. Go through newspapers. Please talk to your friends in English and try to improve your communication ability. I wish all of you the best. Thank
Sir,
you.
I'm having one doubt, sir.
Mm.
What is difference between liability and assets, sir?
Liability is what the company has to pay to others.
Okay, sir.
Assets means what the company has to receive
Having.
from others, or that which can be converted to cash easily.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, which is the best newspaper to read from those you put in the group?
Pardon, which?
Sir, which is the best newspaper to refer in the newspaper group that you put?
Acha, I would suggest, you are from which state?
Sir, I am from Kerala.
Then go through Indian Express or Hindu.
Or Tamil Nadu, sir?
Tamil Nadu also Hindu.
Hindu. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Bye-bye.